What's up, YouTube? Hey, it's Average Mike. Hey, I was going through my stuff today. As you know, I just moved into my new house. I was unpacking some stuff, and look what I found. Anybody new to my channel doesn't know about this. Anybody that's been watching me from the beginning knows. That was the sign from the original 3 or 4 Average Mike shows. So I guess it's kind of retro Average Mike right now. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook up some cheesesteak burgers. Again, really simple recipe. Some Italian dressing. Get the stove started. Okay, we'll put the stove on medium to start. Okay, let's change the angle here so you can see what I'm doing. Actually, we'd probably see it better if we were to, yeah, just kind of roll around in the pan. Turn that one off, and turn this one on. There we go. Again, put it on medium. Alright. And some ground beef. Work that around a little bit. Chop that up. That's it. And now I'm about to chop up some bell peppers and mixing some mushrooms and a little bit of onion. I should have had some of this stuff open before I started filming. Got some mushrooms. Yes, I have a kitchen and I know how to use it. You always want to cut the top out of these first. Cut the stem out. And you're just gonna keep stirring this. Till all your ground beef is brown. And there's not really that much to look at right now, so I'll turn the camera back on when there's something more interesting. to look at like this. Alright, we're almost done here. Yeah, that's what that looks like when it's ready to eat. We'll put it into a bolillo, actually. Instead of the regular hamburger buns, I'm going with bolillos right now. Oh, wait. There we go. Cream cheese. None of the flavored stuff, just the original. I'd rather go with Philadelphia, but this was like $2 cheaper. And I just kind of spread that around the bread. Really good. And fill it with this. Yeah, I'm sure normal serving size will be 1, but I'm probably going to eat about 3 or 4 of these. The only thing I'm missing right now is some Pepsi. I forgot to get a bottle or 2. I will. That's pretty good. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, give me that thumbs up. Anything to say, let me know in the comments. And if the comment's good enough, I might read it on the next video. Till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.